as organizers are told, from root onwards, stem, leaves, fruits, birds, like all the types of events have organized, like poster presentation, oral presentation, keynote address, invited talks, all the types of events shared from this dais. Really, we are very much thankful to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and organizers. And many of the people came here. This dais can transfer the and give the information and opportunity to discuss each other, and it can also improve the connecting communication between wisdomable people. Really, sir, when this program is beautifully today, we are